Okay. Property number 4. Um, Direction of magnetic field at any point is indicated by tangent to field line at that point. Same property as it was in electric field. बराबर ने? याद है ना? Electric field में तो है tangent drawn at any point indicates the direction of electric field. If the amount indicates the direction of what? Magnetic field. बराबर at that point. Number 5. There was a property about putting a charge. If you put a charge at some point in electric field, suppose you put a charge here at this point in electric field, then what will happen? It will experience a force. It will experience a force in the direction of electric field if it is positive, correct or not? And opposite to the direction of electric field if it is negative. It is that when a freely rotating magnetic needle is put at a place, the needle aligns itself with magnetic field line such that the north pole of needle indicates or shows the direction of magnetic field at that point. Like a very complicated sentence, but very easy to understand. Suppose this is a bar or a solenoid or a wire, anything, something that is creating a magnet. So, if let's say that this is one typical field line coming out from the bar magnet, right? આપણે આમ ખબર કેવી પડે છે કે field line નો shape આવો. You understand what I mean? How do we know that field lines have this kind of shape? Basically what that means is at every point we need to find out the direction of magnetic field. So side suppose અહીંયા की बाजू આમ, અહીંયા की बाजू આમ, અહીંયા की बाजू આम. तो खबर कैसे पड़ेगा? What's the direction of magnetic field? If you remember in first chapter we had a concept that if you want to find about electric field you should put a small charge over there and you should see how much force acts on it. And then you can find the electric field by saying this. You remember that? And that small Q that you are putting anywhere is called a test charge. Yeah, they put it so that we can test or we can check for the electric field. Okay, so yellow equivalent magnetism must think about it. You should put a pole. Something like that. You should put a pole. But a single charge, test charge, positive or negative. Similarly, here we should put a pole, north pole or south pole. So that's the problem. Pole લાવો ક્યાંથી? There is no single pole existing. હજી સુધી મળ્યો નથી. Right? And we will never find it. It's almost guaranteed. Okay, because of the nature of magnetism. So what am I saying? So you cannot do something like that. એટલે એવું ન ચાલે ને કે અહીંયા north pole એક મૂકી દે ચાલો. Then the direction in which it will get force, that will be the direction of magnetic field. Barabar? Theoretically excellent idea, but it doesn't work. Why? Because you cannot have a single north pole. So you must have a little needle that is having two poles, one north and one south. તો હવે અહીંયા needle મૂકો તો પછી આમ આડી ઓડી રાખી તો શું થાય? Think about it. Let's say field line is going in this direction and you put a needle like this. I know north and I know south. So
Align.
the needle will try to align KVU so that its potential energy becomes minimum. याद आवे छे? Yes or no? Stable equilibrium, everyone.
Yes.
Right? Stable equilibrium क्या रहता है? When M and B are in same direction. So क्या यानी M arm से? You understand what I'm saying? Magnetic moment of a magnet is always from south pole towards the north pole. From negative to positive. That's an electric dipole moment. Similarly, magnetic dipole moment, right? From south to north. So આનું શું થશે? It will turn, it will align, and arm this. You get what I'm saying? How is the thing? So north will be on this side and south will be on this side. I'm ready. So read that sentence now. So if you want to find the direction of magnetic field at any point, what to do? You put a freely rotating magnetic needle, and the needle will align itself. The needle will align itself such that what the north pole shows the direction of magnetic field. Where the north pole is pointing, that direction will show the direction of magnetic field line at that point, or magnetic field at that. Did you get that? Yes or no?
Yes.
એટલે હવે ગમે ત્યાં મૂકી દો, અહીંયા મૂકો તો આમ થઈ જાય, અહીંયા મૂકો તો આમ થઈ જશે, એ રીતે બધે મૂકીને ચેક કરો. If you want to exactly draw at every point where the field is. Did you understand? આ practically વાત. બાકી theoretically તો તમે formula ને એવું derive કરીને એનાથી draw કરી જ શકો. You get what I'm saying? Right? Okay. Then we will always have this question. અંદરનું શું? બરાબર ને? બહાર તો આવીને ચેક કરી લેવાય ને, એનો કરે અંદર કેસે ચેક કરો? Can you make a hole and put it inside? No. You understand what I'm saying? It's not possible. અંદરનું કેસે ખબર પડી? The truth is, no one has found it. But we don't need to find it because of the idea that a bar magnet in every way it is equivalent to a loop or to a solenoid. So એમાં કેવું હોય? લૂપ ને સોલેનોઇડ માં કેવું હોય? ફીલ્ડ લાઈન સપોઝ આ સોલેનોઇડ છે. તો ફીલ્ડ લાઈન અહીંથી આમ જાય ને આમ જાય. પછી શું થાય? Where is the field line inside it? It's within, going from here to here. Correct or not?
Yes.
બસ આને જ આપણે બાર મેગ્નેટ માં એમ જ હશે. That's what we are considering. Did you get that? So has anyone actually found it inside? No, never. Possible isn't. અંદર કેતે તમે કંપાસ મૂકવા જાવ? You understood the problem? બરાબર? એટલે આવો કોઈ તમને ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછવાનો નથી અંદરનું ફીલ્ડ કેતે ખબર પડે. But this is so that you get complete understanding of how we know what we know. All right? This is fine. So here we are drawing it from this point to this point based on the idea that magnetic field line always forms closed loops. And it's very similar to what a solenoid or loop magnetic field lines are. That's why it should show similar behavior. Did you get that? Yes? Okay. આટલા પોઈન્ટ હવે બુકમાં આનાથી વધુ કંઈ લખ્યું હોય તો એ આપણે લખી નાખીએ. કાઢો ટેકો. ઓછું લખ્યું હોય તો આ એક પોઈન્ટ હશે. Two magnetic field lines can never intersect each other. Two magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. And एक point हजी लखो है तो बोलो आपने closeness of field line. क्या क्या? Closeness of field line indicate what? Indicate the strength or magnitude. Strength or magnitude of magnetic field. Magnetic field. Right? Exam में मैं book में कोई नहीं लखो तो ये वांदो नहीं जोड़ लो पहला book में स्वाइप हो जाए तो लख के 99% you have all covered. एक नया चैप्टर में बोलते हैं 5th चैप्टर क्या है? magnetic properties. First, second, third के लिए और नंबर नो जो था खाली तू लेके जाइए मात्र क्यों मानती दो the magnetic field lines of a magnet or a solenoid or a loop ગમે તે હોય always form continuous closed loops બરાબર that is they don't start anywhere they don't end anywhere. This is unlike electric dipole where the field lines begin from positive charge and end at the negative or escape to infinity. याद આવી ગયું બરાબર ઓકે એટલે આટલી ડિટેલમાં તમે લખો તો of course you can write બરાબર પણ જનરલી કેવું થાય કે એક્ઝામમાં 2 માર્ક નો પૂછ્યો હોય then emphasizing the main thing is enough એટલે main thing is that it forms closed loops. તમને મેગ્નેટિક નું પૂછ્યું છે પછી તમે ખાલી એટલું લખી શકો this is unlike electric field line બસ એટલું બધું પછી ડિટેલમાં જવાની જરૂર નહીં કે electric field lines of a dipole start from positive charge બરાબર ને કે properties of electric field line નથી પૂછી. Second, tangent of the field line gives direction of magnetic field at that point બરાબર. Third, larger number of field lines crossing per unit area, stronger is the magnitude of magnetic field. Magnetic closeness of the field line indicates what the magnetic field strength. बराबर. And fourth, magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. આગળની કથા તો તમને આવડે છે ને if they intersect each other there will be two tangents at one point and there will be two directions of magnetic field. એવું electric field line માં કેમ જ આવતું બરાબર ઓકે ફાઇન એ લોકોએ આમાં એ નથી લખ્યું કે they emerge from north pole and go into the south pole બરાબર ખબર નહીં ક્યાં લખ્યું છે ઓકે now there are some basic things એટલે કદાચ એક્ઝામમાં આવું કંઈ પૂછે નહીં some basic things are given on the left page આમાંથી કદાચ તમને આવડતું જ હશે right but let's go through some of the commonly known ideas question mark commonly known let's see commonly known first one earth behaves as a magnet true right we know that yes or no yes with magnetic field pointing approximately from geographic south to geographic north okay or not okay if that doesn't raise your eyebrows it means you are not reading it properly કઈ મિસ્ટેક નથી હો સાચું લખ્યું છે બધા બુક વાળા બરાબર it is from અહીંયા એવું લખ્યું છે from geographic south to geographic north that is okay that is correct બરાબર all right why it's like that I'll tell you that very soon all right see when we use a compass it points north in one direction એવું દેખાય right a compass is nothing but a needle magnetic needle now try to recollect what I've told you here right truly speaking north is somewhere over there બરાબર આ બધું કેમ છે south somewhere over here તો તમે કંપાસ મૂકશો ને તો એનો નોર્થ આમ દેખાશે કરેક્ટ ઓર નોટ ક્લિયર શ્યોર તો જ બરાબર કહેવાય ને આમ નોર્થ દેખાડે then would that be right you would throw that away yes or no yes okay so it will the needle will remain like this so that north points or the north pole of the needle will be towards that side at least you indicate to like above the north correct or not yes yes sure okay that means the needle aligns in this direction agreed that means magnetic field lines are also going in the same direction try to get everything together what am I saying અહીંયા જો પહેલા needle આમ હોય તો આમ થઈ જાય why so because the needle will align itself with the direction of magnetic field is that fine sure So if the needle that you are putting, if that turns this way, what does that mean? It means the magnetic field lines are coming from there and going over there. That means they are going approximately from south to north. Approximately from south to north. Is that clear? Yes. Or not clear? Right? There is nothing surprising about this. Combine this fact with the fact that needle points in that direction. If you combine your magnetic field lines are going from south to north. Okay, yeah. According to geography, that is, आप south pole से earth north. इस south pole से हम north pole side जाए, earth's north. Is it fine? Okay. Now, how did we actually end up calling these north and south poles? I mean, why did we give them that kind of? The idea is simple. पहला कहीं हम बंदू कोई ने खबर नहीं, right? But they noticed that whenever you put a magnetic substance, okay, a thin magnetic substance, यहाँ पे वो मोली ने एक बाजू से जो, so they said that whichever thing is pointing toward north, that will be called north pole of this magnet. I'll repeat what I have said. This from history. Remember this. What I'm saying, suppose एक needle એમને રાખે એને ક્યાંય north south એવું કઈ લખ્યું નથી. પડી આમ થઈ ગઈ. તો પછી શું કહી દીધું લોકોએ જે આ north બાજુ રહે છે ને, that they called north pole of this magnet. Did you understand? And the one that remains on the south side, that they called south pole of the magnet. એવી રીતે નામ હોય. Did you get that? Sure? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Again, just like it was in charges. બહુ પહેલા મેં તમને કીધું કે પોઝિટિવ નેગેટિવ ઇઝ एक्चुअली આર્બિટરી. આર્બિટરી ઇન ધ સેન્સ, સપોઝ આજથી બધા નક્કી કરે કે આપણે કેવું કહેવાય છે, પ્રોટોન હેઝ અ ચાર્જ -1.6 into 10 raised to -19 coulomb and electron has a charge 1.6 into 10 raised to -19. Then nothing changes. આખું ફિઝિક્સ બધું જે ભણે બધું એમને બધું. Right? Only that, yes, you'll have to put negative signs. બાકી એની કોઈ બીજી ઇફેક્ટ થતી નથી. Right? So charges have been given by us humans arbitrarily. કે આને પોઝિટિવ કહેવાનું ને આને નેગેટિવ. You understand what I'm saying? Just like that. North pole, south pole is also arbitrary. It has been defined by us. Clear? Yeah. But the fact is that nature has made something like two types. સમજાય ને, જેમ પોઝિટિવ નેગેટિવ is the poles, opposite behavior, north and south. એટલે તો મેગ્નેટ north નજીક રાખો તો repel થાય અને north south નજીક રાખો તો attract થાય. તો યાદ છે ને, unlike poles attract and like poles repel. Fine. Okay. So what did I tell you? Which pole of the magnet is called north pole? The one that faces or points toward north, that's called north pole when you have a freely moving needle. A is the noun for it. Is that okay? Right. Now, okay, fine. I'll go to that point later at appropriate time. કેવાનું મન થાય છે પણ પછી બરાબર ત્યારે તમે લખી દો. Let's continue further. So when a bar magnet is freely suspended, it points in north-south direction. The tip which points to geographic north is called north pole, and the other one is called south pole. There is a repulsive force when north poles of two magnets are brought together. Like poles repel and unlike poles attract. Next, we cannot isolate north or south pole of a magnet. Because તમને ખબર છે, if you break a magnet, you don't get two poles, you get two magnets. Correct or not? Yes. Okay. So isolate means you cannot separate. If a bar magnet is broken into two halves, we get two similar bar magnets with somewhat weaker properties. Right? With somewhat weaker properties. This is unlike electric charges, which can be isolated. For example, atoms, right? Atom is neutral. When you electron card na so you get two individual, isolated or separate charges. સમજાય છે? એનો સમજાણું? Sure. Okay, but here you don't get like that. So just the last few words. Magnetic monopoles do not exist. Magnetic monopoles do not exist. See, this is linked with the fact that magnetic field lines form closed. Okay. suppose there was a single north pole, let's say only north, we mentioned, then don't you think it will create its own magnetic field? And that field might go in this direction. Field line અહીંથી ચાલુ થઈ જાય. You get what I'm saying? The field lines have emerged. Correct? But the fact is that there is nothing like this possible. એટલે આ કેવું છે? આ north south બધું એક જ છે અહીંયા. So what will happen? Field lines will come out from one side and they will go and make loop. સમજાણું? Like this, continuous loop. This is called a bar magnet. Did you understand? That is, wherever the field lines start from, in north pole, and wherever they go into, that is south pole. But બે એક જ છે. That's why the field lines form close. They are not separate. Again, if they were separate, for a second, let's imagine that you would have two separate. So field line no diagram છે ને આવો. Do you understand what I'm drawing? Suppose we could say that field lines emerge from north pole and go into south pole. So our field line diagram આવે, our electric dipole now, if you remember, positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative. But magnet no કેવા આવે? It's a little bit different, isn't it? Yes or no? આમ બહારનું તો સેમ જ દેખાય, પણ અહીંયા વચ્ચેના પોર્શનમાં જોશો ને, then you will see that they are not same. Clear or not? Have you understood this completely? Our sentence, magnetic monopoles do not exist and magnetic field lines always form closed loop. They are connected to each other. બરાબર? Okay. પછી આગળ Gauss law આવશે for magnetism. Next, it is possible to make magnets out of iron and its alloys and many more things. Only iron nahi, other elements can also make magnets. Nickel is one example. Neodymium is another. Right? Okay. It should be ferromagnetic. It should be ferromagnetic. So bani jai. Fine. Alright. So these are some useful facts. હવે આ બાજુ field line ના diagram draw કર્યા છે. Have you understood those completely on the right side? Yes or no? એમાં કઈ problem છે? નહીં ને? Look at how field lines are. They are coming out from north and then they are turning around and going into south. Is it fine? Alright. So that's it for this particular part. Now we are going to write down some important pieces of information. Right? Possibly the main part of this chapter, or one of the main parts of this chapter. And interestingly, nothing new. Some important points and properties. First, magnetic moment of a bar magnet is directed from dash to dash. Complete the sentence one. Magnetic moment is directed from south pole to the north pole. South pole to north pole of the magnet. What does that mean? If a bar magnet is like this, then the magnetic moment is in this direction. Now, magnetic field on the axis. Magnetic field on the axis of bar magnet. So like છે ને શું આવે 2 by 4 pi m vector by r3. This is obviously assuming that r is much greater than L. L is the length of magnet. Let's draw that here also. अच्छा આમાં axis ને equator ખબર પડશે ને which is called axis the line that joins the poles that line is called axis and the perpendicular bisector is called equator બરાબર ને તો આ શું આવે બધી ફોર્મ્યુલા ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ડાયપોલ ની છાપી નાખવાની છે સમજી ગયા પહેલા તો આ શું આવશે માઈનસ k આવે ને ઓલા આમાં k નો આવે તો mu 0/4 બરાબર 1/4 પાઈ પછી m vector by r cube then okay again for short bar magnet આપણે શોર્ટ કર્યો બરાબર સપોઝ એક્ઝામ માં બીજો ક્વેશ્ચન આવી જાય તો ઓલી ફોર્મ્યુલા થી કરવાનો બટ frankly nobody asks this right આમાં એટલે પાછું શું આવશે r much greater than n so what can we say about magnetic field on equator is it in same direction as magnetic moment no it is in opposite direction એવું દેખાય field line નો ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કર્યો છે આગળ કાઢો ઇક્વેટર ઉપર એક પોઈન્ટ લો તો ત્યાં magnetic field ની ડાયરેક્શન શું છે is it in the direction of magnetic moment is it opposite to the magnetic moment is it in the direction of magnetic moment or opposite to magnetic moment opposite દેખાય છે કે નહીં I hope everyone is confirming that north east નીકળીને v નામ જશે ને yes or no yes તો આ પોઈન્ટ ઇક્વેટર પર કહેવાય કરેક્ટ તો આ પોઈન્ટ પર v ની ડાયરેક્શન શું છે towards left agreed હવે આની મેગ્નેટિક મોમેન્ટ ક્યાં છે towards the right from south to north did you understand that દેખાય છે બરાબર why we have a minus sign or why we should have a minus sign is it clear or not clear sure okay fourth magnetic moment or magnetic dipole moment m is equal to pole strength into L આ કઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે આ વાળી when we take an electric dipole what do we have the distance between these two is 280 length જેવું છે yes and multiplied by charge q which is the magnitude of the charges correct or not yes so in equivalence in this magnetism we can define something called pole strength that's kind of a you could say a quantity that is similar to like magnetic charge okay એનો મતલબ કે ઇલેક્ટ્રિક માં જે ચાર્જ નો રોલ છે that same role is performed by what pole strength